What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy. So here is the DJI Pocket creator combo. For last few years, I'm using my beloved DJI Pocket 1. If you don't know, I live in Hong Kong. So for last 3, I bought it. One of the thing I really want to mention is that no one pay me. I bought it for my own money. Even 3 years ago, I asked DJI to send me a review unit. Their headquarters, their office is in Hong Kong. DJI is a Hong Kong limited company. I said I can return the device after testing. I literally at that time in 2019 I was living near their office. So DJI can send everywhere around the world to review, but they do not want to send anyone local. That is reality. No one care about this. Not about DJI. It's about every company. No one care about you if you're a small creator like me. No one care about you if you're small like me. So at the end of the day, I have been on YouTube for nearly 11 years. My current this YouTube channel is nearly around 8 years old. So I'm not new to YouTube. Not a single paid review. I did everything. I bought it for my own money. So this is RB unit. Now here I wanna talk about this scam. This is a refurbished unit. At the time when I was buying in the shop, I did not know it's super seal. I'm 100% sure this seal is from DJI, not from someone else. I'm sure this one is from DJI. DJI sell the RB unit or the refurbished unit for around $400 compared to the brand new $500. In Hong Kong, I'm talking to local Chinese people. They literally scam you if they find out you are acting minority. Yes, I'm a acting minority, but I am here for last fifth generation. My father was in an army, my father was in police and fire department, my grandfather was in army, my entire family served the police and then the army. So I'm not new here, okay? I am not new here. That's why there's a derogatory term called Molocha, son of a police. But that Molocha basically equal to the N-word in USA. Let me repeat, Molocha is equal to N-word because he said in a derogatory term. Molocha, son of a policeman. You would be thinking it's a good no. If someone see you like a person like me on the street, oh Molocha, oh acha. So I'm just trying to point out the reality. And if I have done like dozen and dozen, more than 50, maybe 55 video on DJI Osmo Action, DJI Pocket 1. But DJI do not even reach out to me, say to thanks. Even they knew. Do not think that they do not know me. I come to realize that they watched my video and they knew about me. I'm located in front of the office. But that is a reality. Anyway, why I am not asking for a free product. Sometimes you can just reply, oh, we are sorry, we cannot send you, you are small, you do not have enough subscribe, oh, you are ugly, molocha, oh, your skin color is so ugly, oh, we do not want to send to a person like black like you. I don't know which skin color I am. I think I'm black. Some people say, sorry, I think I'm brown, but Chinese people say I'm black. I'm confused. I don't know which skin color I am, to be honest with you. I'm really confused. Like sometimes you really become tired. Now you see, I get a refurbished unit. I pay for a brand new. Now nothing can happen. This is Hong Kong. If I go back to shop to ask them, you know what will happen? They will call the police on me. They will tell the he already pay. Here's the receipt. He already pay. He should ask before buying. I have no idea what RB mean, and this is a mistake on DJI. DJI, why they should put RB here? Why? Why they cannot write refurbished unit? How can I realize this is RB? I mean, this is refurbished unit. They just put a sticker on internet. There is no information available on this RB unit. I have to research. When after I buying, I said, why this RB unit and why this box look different? Why this give me a vibe of buying a refurbished product? Because this box looks plain. Yeah, enough is my rant. I'm really disappointed, to be honest with you. DJI can put a refurbished unit like, and I'm scammed. I'm scammed by a local Hong Kong people. You know what thing I want to talk about. The Hong Kong people want to play the victim card whenever they go to UK. They are going to UK. They are learning English. But when it comes to Hong Kong, the Hong Kong local, because Hong Kong people do not consider them Chinese, they consider them they are alien or some kind of another planet, or I'm not sure which race they are. They say they are not Chinese. Okay, Hong Kong people say they are not Chinese. Okay, let's go with they are Hong Kong people. So Hong Kong people think that. I mean, Hong Kong people want. The problem I'm facing is that whenever I speak English, people will stop talking with me. But when it comes to speaking with a foreigner, oh my god, like I'm in the hypocrisy. Do not feel sorry for Hong Kong people. Do not feel any sorry for Hong Kong people. So now let me take out, anyway, enough with my rent. And then again, I love DJI because DJI current only the company which can make gimbal like stabilization. I tried a Fimi Palm, I tried some crappy Sunopa, I tried Fiotech. All of them are crappy garbage. Stay away. Even the Osmo Pocket 1 beat the crap out of the Fimi Palm. Fimi Palm is a good, but I consider it like a action cam video quality. Action cam video quality. Another thing is that a lot of people say Osmo Pocket quality is mediocre, but the problem is the YouTube compression. If you just watch native on your 4K screen, beautiful quality. But the problem is YouTube compression. YouTube destroy around 50% of the video quality. That's why you cannot judge by. Even I'm watching Pocket 2 video test online on YouTube. I was not that impressed, but I said to myself, Jimmy, listen, again, this is due to YouTube compression. So at the end of the day, here it is. I'm going to compare this one with my 7 to 14 lens, my Panasonic 7 to 14, which is in full frame. 14 to 28 millimeter, and my Canon 10 to 18, which is around like 15 millimeter, 15 millimeter in full frame. So I'm going to compare with both of the camera. I'm going to compare with the Fujifilm X-S10 with super ultra wide lens and my Olympus CM5 Mark III. Okay, it seems like new. That is a good thing. What is this? Again, I'm sorry if I hurt anyone feeling. The problem is that, like, I pay for a brand new. I'm scammed by a $100. Like, I'm scammed. That's why I'm a little bit very disheartened. Like, I do not understand why the local people always want to target me. I'm always scammed here. Finding a house is super hard. The local people do not give you a house. They say you cook curry. That's why we cannot give you. You will make our wall and the ceiling yellow. The irony is that the Hong Kong people cook the most curry in the world. If you don't know, the Hong Kong people have the highest meat consumption, so they eat so much curry. And they blame on me. Like, firstly, I do not eat curry. I do not want to talk about condition. I'm diagnosed with some kind of, I do not want to say cancer or anything. I do not want to talk about my condition, okay? Okay, here's the USB-C cable. Awesome. It have USB-C to USB-C and the regular. Awesome. And here we go with the lanyard. Awesome. Again, I love DJI company. Do not get me wrong. This one is the iOS connector, Lightning connector, USB-C connector. This is the ultra wide. So this 20 millimeter full frame lens will become like around 50 millimeter. I will be testing this one also. This is the wind muff. And are we done? And this is what? Okay, these are the button. And here is my. Let me take a more thing. Okay, wow, I'm impressed. It's quite small. Don't worry, I'm going to test it with my Sermonic Blink B500 Pro. Wow. Now I'm happy. Now G-Magic is happy. If you don't ultra wide, make a lot of sense. So this is ultra wide. I'm using ultra wide lens to record this video. Wow. And here are some manual. Okay. Let me see how to turn it on. Let me just kindly remove it. I really wish DJI Pocket 3 come with a 1-inch sensor. Like, after 1 inch, the game will be over. A lot of people say stabilizing a 1-inch sensor will be super hard. No, that is not the case. Did you ever see a naked 1-inch sensor? You will be thinking how you can see a naked, because most of the 1-inch sensor are in the compact camera, such as the RX100 series, the Canon G5X, Canon G7X, or the LX10. No, there was one camera with interchangeable lens, the Nikon one or the Nikon one. So I have seen the 1-inch sensor with my eyes. Is quite small, like it's the size of this one, a little bit, not this one, maybe it's very maybe a little bit smaller than this one. Yeah, the 1-inch sensor will be a little around this size, a little bit smaller, so you can easily stabilize. Do not think that you can't stabilize. Okay, also let me know which cover should I buy. I will be buying some cover to give you my review. Awesome. Can you turn it on? Wow, finally I turned it on. Let me put my memory card. I'm going to format in it because I really want to format inside. I'm using 128 gigabyte Samsung Evo. Is the exposure high or not? Okay, are we done? English. Device not connected to DJI. Okay. DJI Pocket not connected. So I have to connect to activate. English. So I have to connect to activate, I think so. Let me just set up this one, and then we will start our review with the images and everything. You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. And also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinal pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy, I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die. Bye.